Hello viewers and Assalamu alaikum. I'm your host Shavez here, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to create your own custom kits. And in this video there's a bonus point here that I'm gonna tell you a trick how to change your kit's number fonts or color without using any internet connection or something like that, because sometimes it is a very common problem here that sometimes you don't have internet connection, and that's the great drawback for DLS 20 and further on versions. And you know that DLS 19 has an advantage on this in this matter. So this is my real voice, just ignore that. It may seem horribly horribly to you, but just ignore that. Don't care, just focus on the method. My voice is just to demonstrate or explain the things if you don't understand anything, and I may answer the questions you have recently or frequently asked me. Then I will answer you, but first I will go for the trick. The trick is that sometimes we are not satisfied by the color or something, that something just doesn't look great on that kit. And if we talk about the font, so we can go out with it. So we will open the Z archiver first, okay, and just open this DLS file here in the Z archiver, and it is very important for this. Okay, here's file. Okay, so now for example I'm gonna give you this home kit here, and if I open Dream League Soccer here, you can see that you have to rotate your device, sorry, but I have to. So here I have this golden color, and I want to change this kit font, and as you can see that I cannot change the kit trim or a kit font or any kit types I have. So what will I do is I will go into the, wait, let me just go back here. Okay, I went here back, so I will just not delete in the DLS game, but I will just cut it and just I will place it here outside that file. Okay, so I will open it again, and then I tap on the custom kit. So now you can see that the custom kit has been gone here. So you know I want to change the font, but here it will not come as you see. So what you have to do is to close the DLS here, and you have to open it again. So when you will open it, I open it again. So here it is, I am here, and let's see here. Okay, so the kit is here, and now you can see, as you can see, I can change the kit trim also and number font. Let's go here, and I will save it, and if I do it white, okay, so I will color it white, and here I saved it. Okay, so here it is done, and now I will go back, and after doing some changes I will just cut it and paste it in the file. So here the file has been moved, and I will open the DLS again. So let's just see what happened. It's not changed here. I think it needs restart after that. So I just pause it. So here I came and I resumed it after that loading and something like that, and as you can see that the kit is back, but I have changed the number also, and the kit number font also, and color also. You can see here that everything has been changed, but the others are just the same. So I recommend you that use this method rather than just wasting your kilobytes here and everything just like that. But this method is very helpful if you don't have any internet connection, and you can just use it anywhere you like and something. And now let's go to the kit section where you have to make your own kit. So I have opened Pixel Lab, and I have to maybe just, so here is what you want. This is the new project here, and you have to just clear it and just delete this text here. This is the layers option. It will be very helpful for you in making kits and something like that. Now just go for it, and I just change the image size, not too much high resolution because it may uh, make your game to lag or something. Just make it more than 512, but 600 is very good. So here I will import the trims and the templates I have, and sorry, my throat just feels a little bit sore and something like that, but just ignore that. And I have these templates, and I have shared this folder uh, through Mediafire. You can download it from there, and I have given the link in the description. So here is the shirt template first of all, and I have created spaces for you can just see that here you can put sponsor, here you can put Nike swoosh and something, anything you want to put here, and I have given you the space that here you can put, and it will look nice. So I will just browse here, and I will put templates here. This is the short template here, and it may be a lengthy video, but just socks template. So while I put these templates, I want to answer the questions that some people ask me why the DLS modes just crash or just they freeze at the moment. So the reason is that because this APK is not pure, this application file is not pure, and famous YouTubers just like Geodroid and Roycer have just changed the files and everything in that. You know that if we just intervene with the game files and something like that, it appears a bug in there, and because of that bug this game crashes, and it's not a big deal. I mean, some people, even I face that problem too, but I just compromise with that because it's not that a big problem, but for someone it is, because you can just feel how you just you know get angry and that and something like that. Okay, so I have these trims, so I'm putting these swoosh in the places, and as you can see they are fitting right in the boxes as I have done here, and these boxes are looking very bad, so just color it red. Okay, red is my favorite color, and just the short too, I will do it red, and the socks, and I will just also color it red, and the sleeves. And okay, one more question that some people ask me, that from where you belong, or which is your country. I belong from Pakistan, and Pakistan is just in neighbor to India, and it is situated in Asia. So I am Pakistani, and my religion is Islam. I am gonna put this here. Okay, one more tip, that the trims are to be used with low opacity. As you can see, I have just made it transparent for it, so not too much will just make it very bad and something. And this is the socks design I will put here, and I will not put any team logo sponsor because it's up to you, and as you like, as you wish. Just yes, here it is. Oh my god, I placed it wrong.
Yeah, I just wanna see you out. To give it up, leaving all your texts on red with the games you left now. Give it up, you're sick of all the things you said getting in my head now. So I don't wanna know.
So our kit is ready here, and as you can see that I have just followed all the steps, and you also have to follow this, so you can just enjoy your game kit. Okay, so as I changed that home kit to white, so I will just go here to documents, and here's the pixel lab file here. So just ignore that, that's my edits, and here is the kit. I have here, which I have just made now, and I will just place here outside the file, so I can just rename it as home. Okay, so here I will rename it 258 because our team is the 258th number in the game. So I have just this renamed it and cut it in the files. So I have just placed it in here, and I will just show you after opening the DLS. So yeah, as you can see, the kit has been changed here with the red color here. Look at the stadium, it's also changed, and it just came with the kit that I just made in the Pixel Lab. And as you can see that everything of it has been changed. Okay, so if we just check the replay, oh, it just really look like the actual Nike kit in the real life, and the trim I just made it, and it was a very hard work for that. And you can just see all the players are wearing the same custom kit you have made, and it also has a connection with the trick I have told you earlier in the video. So you can just do whatever you like, and I will also share the link of Adidas kit trims in the description, but till now I have this one, so it is very nice. You can use this trick with each and every 6 kit you have, so everything you want. So I hope that you have enjoyed the video, and if you have learned a lot from this video, so please leave a thumbs up, and don't forget to share and subscribe my channel and press that bell icon so you never miss any update about the Dream League Soccer. And ignore my voice, it's just horrible. Subscribe my channel and just like my video, and I'm begging you, please, I need it. And I thank all to my subscribers, about 3.36k and something like that. Thank you very much for your support and love, and I would appreciate that you are still cooperating with me. And thanks for waiting me for 3 months, 3 straight months, man. I was just preparing for MDCAT, the medical dental college admission test that I have to give, and uh, but I just scored average marks, and that was not that great. But inshallah, I will go in any other field. Just pray for me, remember me in your prayers, and thank you for your cooperation. And see you later in the next video. Bye.